Ooh, look at that, it's goodies. What's up, y'all? So, as I just showed y'all, I got some goodies for my SCX-10II AJ, Adrian's Jeep. Just a couple upgrades I wanted to do because I haven't done anything to this thing. It's been just a stock raw builder's kit for shocks and everything. These are the first wheels I bought just so I can get it rolling. Some Durtrex, Deep Woods, and I'd actually bought these here, the axial beadlock wheels and some Goodrich. Which ones were these? The KO2s. That's what it was. The KO2s, because that's what Adrian actually had on his Jeep. But the wheels are actually kind of light, and I started thinking, you know what? I can't leave this thing stock. It's gonna get upgrades, it needs scratches and all that stuff. Like, yeah, duh. So we got some Amazon specials here. I'm gonna try out some stuff before I get some really expensive wheels and all that. These were, what was the brand on this? Glow backed. They're heavy. I don't have a scale to weigh them, but they're heavy. And then some Endura wheels. I got some Endura upgrades on this one right there. So I figured I'll try out some more here. The Super Swampers got some good reviews. That's not what this video is. I'm not gonna do a review. I'm just showing y'all I'm getting some stuff. And then we'll do a short little flex test. That's one of the things I want, is just a little bit more suspension travel. But more than that, just better traction. So that's what these right here are for. And I got some different shocks. So those internal springs for these ones. The reviews say they don't need oil internal or inside. Some people said they did it anyway, and then they're like, those are the ones that are saying that they leaked. So I'm gonna do what the hell I want to. I'm gonna try it with and without. Starting without. So I'm gonna put this all together, but first, hold on. Let me put this thing on. I ain't even put this in the case yet. Chaos. Put this on my noggin. So we're gonna do a quick flex test. In all honesty, this thing doesn't have a whole lot of suspension travel. Alright, that's one wheel. Everything's still on the ground. Basically, that's it. Look at my Kershaw underneath there, from underneath there. It doesn't have a whole lot. Like that's it. So I'm gonna pause for the cause, put these things on, and then we're gonna see what it does. Ooh, all right. So got the shocks and the wheels and tires and all that. Put on there. So let's do a quick test. Last one was 2 wheels. We'll use the exact same ones, and then we lost contact with the table. Still got contact with the other 3. Make sure it's stacked up there. There we go. And I said I'm not looking for a lot of extra flex, just mostly more traction and a little bit more suspension travel. That's about all we're gonna get. Yeah, that's plenty. So now instead of like 1.5, we've got a solid 2 tires. I like that, and the wheels look good and they're nice and heavy. So now it's just to try it out, take it for a crawl, and see how it does. What's up, y'all? So like right after I made this video, maybe it's a couple days, I actually ordered some 12mm extensions for the wheels, so that's why it's got this much more flex. And that's pretty cool, right? So just widening that wheelbase a little bit, or the width of the wheelbase there a little bit, it actually added more flex. It's kind of nice. Like I don't know nothing about crawling. Like it's still new to me. I'm still learning stuff. So somebody's gonna watch this and be like, "Oh, duh, you didn't know that." No, I didn't, but I do now. But yeah, pretty cool, cheap little upgrade to add a little bit more suspension travel and flex to your suspension.